Hey everybody, I'm back already. I was done with my day after 4 minutes, it looks like. So I took Docusign. I took it too early. I wanted to play it off of this level here. Well, the stock decided it wanted to go here. This was the pre-market low. Let me zoom out. It's the pre-market low. So I thought I would play it off the pre-market low. I got in before the stock told me to. Now, if I'm going to work on one thing, I know that I need to work on only getting in when the stock tells me to, when there's a clear signal. Even if my plan tells me to get in at a certain point, I can catch it on the way up at this level with a limit order. Instead, I got in here with a market order, got filled around here, and had to endure a little pain. But I held, and it was within my tolerance for risk, right? Yeah. It was maybe just outside. Maybe I held out a little bit too long. It was just outside of my tolerance for risk. I always hold $1. That's my tolerance usually to make $2. It's a 2-to-1 ratio. And that's what happened. I held just long enough. We popped up. This was in a heartbeat, but I had my limit order set for 77.58 or wherever it was. We popped through and I got filled. So did exactly what I thought it was going to do. Not exactly. So for this to have performed in the exact way that I wanted it to, which would have been a pop up to here and then a sell off, which would have been huge money, a big move, we needed to be trending before the market opened, right? VWAP's up here. We needed to be above VWAP. We didn't get the pop that we saw in Asana yesterday, which led for the bigger move. This level's holding. You might see another move on it, but I'm done for the day. That was 10 minutes. We're now at 12, including the recap. We're calling it a day. So, so if I can pass any wisdom on, it's you let the stock tell you when to get in and just don't let your plan dictate your money, your capital, because you can risk a lot of capital. I probably held on too long. I mean, according to my trade plan, I did. Right? But it worked out. It's a decent trade process. And we're going to continue to get better. The Docusign. Called it out in the pre-market. Here's our pop. And now we get to go do whatever we want because we made our money in 4 minutes. So y'all have yourselves a good day. The channel is going to be a different name. It's going to be Tim Talks Stocks, and I'll probably work on some graphics or something today or tomorrow. So thanks for tuning in. If you tuned in, if not, go fuck yourself as usual, and y'all have yourselves a great day. I don't know if I've sworn so far on these shows, but they're going to be very sweary and just a little bit more entertaining, I think, than your normal pre-market show. Tune in. Also, if you're going to tune in, just know that basically, I'm providing you with free scanners. I can even probably put some scanners up so you can look at them when the pre-market show happens. At some point, I'd like to be able to live trade, but it's just not on the cards right now. But anyways, I'm out of here.